Yeah. What was that? That was another one. That's you. Yeah.
Yes. And so we've heard about talking about plantations and permaculture, and some say that it's not so difficult. Some say it requires a lot of skill to do permaculture. Can you say something about the difference between permaculture and plantations? Obviously, they're very different. But, what is it in permaculture that makes it what is it that makes a plantation a permaculture, not a plantation? Like when you plant
The diversity.
Yeah.
You know, there's a lot of permaculture projects here in Europe that started on old fruit plantations, and that building in, you know, keeping the healthy trees, you know, and then planting in other species, you know, to get a much more diverse system, you know. And it makes it, and that's important here in this, I mean, in this period we're living, because some might die, you know, some might live, and that's how you experience, you can continue, and you can supply with diversity.
Also, the elements of the forest. In a plantation, you have too many individuals for probably one, maximum two species, three if you're lucky. Then you have a lot of bugs that only eat that species, and it's not functional, it's very fragile. So the way that the permaculture works, it's more try to reproduce the natural cycles and a big diversity on the food chains. But the difference with a natural forest is that we are managing it. If we think that there is a problem with one, we can substitute, we can regulate things. And this, once the system is working, it doesn't require that much work and money, because like you do a little bit here, a little bit there. The other thing is also stacking. In a plantation, you want very straight trees, and then you cut them because you expect to grow. But we want shrubs, we want mushrooms, we want climbing plants into the trees. We want 3 or different canopies size. And the idea is that maybe if nobody knows how to do that with maybe one species of the Amazonian rainforest, because nobody knows how to boil the seed or what you do that. But with the species that we know, and they're suited to the climate, we can do it. We can do grafting. We can do even vitroplants. There are many, many things that have been, let's call it, invented for commodities, for more conventional agriculture, that can be applied in this case, but as a forest, with a nature mind. And I think that's the main difference, you know, design, diversity, and also the importance of what you are doing.